Welcome to Not Right You, Essential Oils 101.
Welcome to Not Right University, presented by Cottage & Country. Let's get crafting.
Essential Oils 101. From plant to potpourri and beyond. Your ultimate guide to natural wellness. Beautiful plants, essential oil bottles, diffusers, and a cozy home setting. Hey there, natural wellness enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered about the incredible plant power packed into those tiny bottles of essential oils? From their captivating aromas to their surprising natural remedies, these concentrated botanical extracts are everywhere. In this ultimate guide, we're diving deep into the world of essential oils. What they are, how they're made, where they come from, how to buy them in bulk, how to use them in DIY potpourri, and so much more. Get ready to unlock the secrets of aromatherapy and natural living. So, what exactly are essential oils? Simply put, they're organic, volatile, and hydrophobic liquids naturally produced by plants. Think of them as the plant's essence, capturing its unique odor and flavor. These aren't just pretty scents. They're complex, volatile compounds found in tiny structures within leaves, flowers, fruits, roots, and even bark. They play a vital role in the plant's survival, acting as natural protection against pests and attracting pollinators. The International Organization for Standardization (ISO) defines them as extracts from natural plant material, obtained through specific methods like steam distillation or mechanical extraction. It's truly nature's concentrated wisdom. Crafting the essence. How essential oils are made. Extraction methods. Steam rising from a still, fruit being pressed, solvents in a lab setting. How essential oils are made. Extraction methods. How do we get these precious botanical extracts from plants? It's a fascinating process with various essential oil extraction methods, each tailored to the plant. One of the most traditional is hydrodistillation, which includes water distillation and steam distillation. Imagine plant material in a still, with hot water or steam releasing those aromatic molecules. The vapor is then cooled and the oil separates from the water. This is great for many plants, but delicate flowers like roses prefer being submerged in water to prevent overheating. Then there's cold press extraction, also known as expression. This is primarily for citrus essential oils like lemon or orange. The fruit rind is mechanically pierced, releasing the oil, which is then pressed out and separated from the juice. This method preserves that fresh, vibrant citrus aroma. For delicate or resinous plants, solvent extraction is used. Volatile solvents like hexane or ethanol extract the oils, along with waxes and pigments, forming a concrete. This concrete is then mixed with alcohol to release the oil. This method often yields a finer fragrance. And finally, a modern marvel: CO2 extraction, or supercritical CO2 extraction. This uses supercritical carbon dioxide as a solvent, operating at much lower temperatures than steam distillation. Why is this important? It means the oil's delicate molecular composition isn't altered by high heat, resulting in incredibly pure essential oils perfect for aromatherapy benefits. The choice of extraction process truly impacts the final oil's quality and characteristics. It's a balance of efficiency, quality, and preserving the plant's integrity. Global roots, where essential oils originate. The origin of your essential oils is crucial. The chemical composition is deeply influenced by its exact place of origin, climate, and plant species. It's like the terroir of wine, but for plants. Plants with the strongest scents often thrive in tropical regions due to higher temperatures, stimulating more volatile compound production. Let's look at some popular oils. Lavender oil, Lavandula angustifolia, is native to the Mediterranean region, including France, Spain, and Italy. Historically used for washing and calming, it's a staple for stress reduction and sleep. Tea tree oil, Melaleuca alternifolia, comes from the swampy Southeast Australian coast. Named by Captain James Cook, it was used by Aboriginal peoples for wounds and is now famous for its antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. Peppermint oil, Mentha piperita, is a hybrid species with much of its pure essential oil sourced from India. Known as the world's oldest medicine, it's great for headaches, fatigue, and digestion. Lemon oil. Citrus lemon or Citrus limonum is believed to originate from China, India, or Myanmar, with key production in Italy and Australia. This liquid sunshine is cold-pressed from the rind and offers uplifting, cleansing, and antibacterial properties. Understanding these global sourcing details helps you appreciate the unique qualities of each oil. Smart sourcing. Buying essential oils in bulk essential oil labels with key information highlighted. Botanical name, origin, GCMS. Then a graphic of a lab test report, ready to buy wholesale essential oils. Smart sourcing is key, especially since the industry isn't strictly regulated like pharmaceuticals. You need to be a savvy shopper. Look for reputable suppliers who are transparent. Their labels should clearly state the Latin botanical name, country of origin, extraction method, and the specific plant part used. It should also say 100% pure essential oil, with no other ingredients, and include a batch number for traceability. The gold standard for ensuring pure essential oils is GCMS testing gas chromatography MAS spectrometry. Reputable suppliers should readily provide these reports, which confirm the oil's authenticity and detect contaminants. Also, look for relevant organic certifications like USDA Certified Organic. Be wary of marketing terms like therapeutic grade. They aren't regulated. Consider ethical sourcing too, supporting suppliers who harvest responsibly and respect local communities. When buying bulk essential oils, balance cost with verifiable purity and quality. Cheaper oils might be diluted or adulterated, compromising their effectiveness. It's about true value. Aromatic crafting. Essential oils in potpourri gather dried flowers and spices, then mixing them in a jar with essential oils. Orris root powder. It's DIY potpourri. Scenting your home naturally. Now for some fun. Let's make homemade potpourri with essential oils for a beautiful, natural home fragrance. Gather your dry ingredients. Think dried flowers, spices like cloves or cinnamon, fruit peels, pine cones, or bark. Get creative. Prepare and dry. If using fresh materials, dry them thoroughly to prevent mold. You can hang them for weeks or bake them until crumbly. It's container prep. Transfer your dried ingredients into an airtight container for scenting. Add essential oils. This is where the magic happens. Add 2 drops for general potpourri or 5 to 6 drops for dried flowers, dispersing evenly. Popular choices include rose, cinnamon, lemon, orange, honeysuckle, and lavender oils. You can even create a master blend for refreshing later. The infusion period curing. This is crucial for scent longevity. Seal the container tightly and let it sit in a cool, dry place for at least 2 weeks, ideally 6 to 8 weeks. This curing time allows the oils to deeply absorb into the porous materials, ensuring a lasting aroma. Patience is key. Incorporate a fixative. To truly enhance scent longevity, add a fragrance fixative like orris root powder. This helps bind the volatile essential oil molecules, slowing their evaporation. Display and enjoy. Once cured, transferred to an open decorative bowl. Your scented potpourri should emit a strong scent for about 2 months. Refreshing. When the aroma fades, just add 2 to 3 more drops of oil and mix. Yan potpourri. Other uses of essential oils: meditating with a diffuser, applying oil to skin, cleaning a surface, hair care. Essential oils are incredibly versatile, offering far more than just pleasant scents. Their diverse chemical compositions allow them to interact with our bodies in many ways. Studies suggest they can boost mood, improve sleep, reduce anxiety and pain, alleviate headaches, fight fatigue, and even reduce nausea. They also have potent antimicrobial properties, fighting bacteria, fungi, and viruses, and can help reduce inflammation. Here are just a few more detailed examples of their widespread uses. Lavender oil, calming, great for stress, pain, and sleep. Used in baths, diffusers, and even historically as a cleaning agent. Tea tree oil, a powerful antiseptic, antimicrobial, and antifungal. Excellent for acne, athlete's foot, and ringworm diluted. Peppermint oil. Energizing and stimulating. Helps with headaches, digestion, and fighting fatigue. Lemon oil. Uplifting, cleansing, and antibacterial. Fantastic for reducing anxiety, easing nausea, and as a natural cleaner. Eucalyptus oil. Soothes stuffed noses, pain-relieving, and antimicrobial. Perfect for cold season. Lemongrass oil, stress relief, anxiety reduction, and antibacterial properties for wound healing. Beyond these, essential oils are widely used in natural skincare products for anti-acne, anti-aging, and even as natural preservatives. You'll find them in foods, beverages, personal care products like soaps and shampoos, and of course, perfumes. They truly are wellness solutions for a holistic health approach. Essential oil safety guidelines, clear, concise graphics showing dilution ratios, patch testing, and safe storage. While amazing, essential oils are highly concentrated and require careful use. Essential oil safety is paramount. Always dilute. For topical use, always dilute with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil, jojoba, or almond oil. A general rule is 1 drop of essential oil to 5 drops of carrier oil. For stronger oils like cinnamon or oregano, use 1 drop to 10 drops of carrier oil. Dilution doesn't reduce benefits. It enhances absorption and prevents sensitivity. Patch test. Before full application, do a patch test on a small skin area to check for reactions. Avoid sensitive areas. Never apply oils directly into the nose, inner ears, eyes, or on broken skin. If accidental contact occurs, soothe with a carrier oil. Sun sensitivity. Some citrus oils like bergamot, lemon, grapefruit can increase sun sensitivity. Avoid direct sunlight or UV exposure for at least 12 to 24 hours after topical use. Safe storage. Keep oils in dark glass bottles away from flames and out of reach of children and pets. Diffusion, safety. Diffuse in a well-ventilated area and intermittently 30 to 60 minutes on. Then 30 to 60 minutes off. Some oils like peppermint or cinnamon should be diffused with caution as they can be irritants. Children and pets. Always dilute more for children and pets and consult a vet for animal use. Infants and children should never ingest essential oils. So there you have it, a deep dive into the incredible world of essential oils. From their intricate extraction process and diverse global sourcing to their countless wellness solutions and the art of DIY potpourri, these plant-based solutions offer so much for natural living. Remember, knowledge and safety are your best tools when exploring these powerful aromatic compounds. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more how to DIY content and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. What's your favorite essential oil? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay well.